If you have a Chase Sapphire Reserve card in your wallet, this is great news for you. The Edit credit, which previously was two $250 credits biannually, can now be used much closer together. It's still $500 total per year, but you don't have to wait 6 months to use them now. So starting January 1st, you'll get $250 to use, and then you can use that second credit on January 2nd. And so you can get those credits out of the way. If you wanted to use them for the same property, technically it is possible. You would be able to book two separate reservations, but it's very clear you cannot double dip on property benefits. You can still split it into two reservations, book two $250 credits from the Edit. That's great, or you can book them for whenever you want. But no, those on property benefits will not be able to be double dipped, which is still pretty good news though.
Yeah, that was like a tiny little adjustment they made that actually makes a huge difference and I think really increases the value of that credit. So well
Hmm.
done, Chase Sapphire. The next thing we need to talk about is also about the Chase Sapphire. They have a new hotel credit in 2026. And from what I understand, it's at this point only in 2026. I don't think it's been announced as an ongoing benefit. Maybe correct me if I'm
Okay,
wrong there, Chris.
I don't know.
But they're adding a new $250 annual hotel credit. And this is separate from that credit that Chris just talked about. And this is again for bookings of 2-night minimum through Chase Travel at select partners. And these include IHG hotels, Montage hotels, Pendry hotels, Omni hotels, Virgin hotels, Minor hotels, and Pan Pacific hotels and resorts. So that is separate
Okay.
from the Chase the Edit credit. It is an additional $250 credit that you can use on 2-night stays at those brands. So that's also another very under the radar credit. I think
Yeah.
it was, like, buried in an announcement that just kind of went out, and really that's a valuable benefit to look out for in 2026.
Yeah, that's a solid list of hotels there. I mean,
Yeah,
just
definitely.
IHG. I mean, you can travel around the entire world and that's I mean, you could see it's a 250 credit for a 2 night minimum.
Mhm.
And IHG, that's totally possible to get a free stay somewhere.
Yeah, or you could go super high end and try out, like, an Omni or go super cool,
Yeah.
go to one of those Virgin hotels, like,
Mhm.
there's some great options there.